What's up, RC addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We got the Maverick Ion RX out on the table today. Found this boy at a hobby shop in Indiana. I was there a couple weeks ago. 30% off. Price was marked $90 right there. I got 30% off. So with tax, $62 and some change. Walked away with this bad boy and the backup battery. So let's go ahead, open it up, see what you get inside, and go from there. All right, and here we have it. Everything it comes with out on the table. You get your Maverick Quick Start Ion Series Guide. Tells you what you get in the box and what you need. Okay. A little troubleshooting, how to operate your controller, your transmitter, and all that. You connect with HPI sheet. You get a separate bag. You get your USB battery charger. This is going to take you about half the day to get ready to up and running. If you want to charge your battery with this, go ahead. Just know you'll be taking about 3 hours. And a battery adapter, Ultimate plug connectors, straw for the radio, for the receiver antenna. And this one, if you notice, it said free upgrade. This one comes with an upgraded aluminum center drive shaft. Already included with this kit. I don't know if they normally come with that out the box. I haven't seen many videos or looked for many videos for this car, but this one, you get an aluminum center drive shaft. So sometime in the future, we'll be putting this one on. We got the spare battery for extended playtime. And that's it. Oh no, let's not forget, you get your transmitter, pistol grip transmitter. AA batteries go in the bottom. Looks like it takes 4. On-off controller and basic settings. Up front, I think one's probably trim, steering trim, and binding, reverse, and probably your speed trim too. So you get that. And here's the star of the show. Okay. Nice graphics. I like it. Yeah. Got Maverick written across the side. RX. Nice little wang out back. Kind of reminds me of a Ford Focus a little bit, I would say. I don't know about you guys, but you got 4 body clips holding the body on. Now the body is protected by a clear plastic film to protect against scratches. I haven't removed that yet, so we're going to leave that on there. I think it looks like there's one on there. I could be wrong. That's your typical plastic PVC body. In here, already comes in with your battery. Nickel metal hydride battery. Like I said, Tamiya connectors. It is brushed. An MM28 electric motor. 2-in-1 receiver and transmitter receiver. And little micro servo. You got your on-off button here. That's about it. Oil fill shocks. Suspension feels pretty good. The rear could use a little bit stiffening up, but You know, we'll run it out the box and then maybe we'll adjust for heavier oil at some time. You got a nice plastic molded tub style chassis that should help keep some debris out. Everything's pretty contained all in here. All your diffs and your gears and everything all covered. Nice grippy rubber wheels. I think there are foams in there. I can't be 200% sure about it. And yes, these shocks are oil fillable. Metal caps. And I think that's about it talking about the car. So let's go ahead, slap the body back on, go outside and see what she's got. All right, here we go. First run. We ain't doing any speed tests or none of that stuff. It's a little 118 scale brush car. How fast can it go? Maybe 19 miles an hour? All right, we'll see you later. Oh, the Ripper. Got a little Ripper here. Yes, sir. Squirrely, too. She's a handful when you get it up to top speed. Like I said, doesn't go very fast, but she's small and quick. Twitchy. Twitchy even. Let's see, maybe we turn the steering dual rate down just a little bit. There we go. That's better. Just a little bit on the steering dual rate. Ooh, it's plowing through that little bit of grass too. Let's see here. Just mowed the lawn a couple days ago. So we got a little bit of gravel, but still able to plow through that. That's nice. I didn't think this little rally car would be able to make it through that grass. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, neat little whip. Neat little whip. This one's been out for a few years already, but you already know I have that the 10 scale Maverick Quantum Flux, and I also have the on-road car version. And I love them both. HPI puts out some good stuff. Even though this is the budget brand of HPI, they don't fail to perform. Even this little brushed little car, I think it works. It handles great, superbly. Let's see if it can handle some small jumps off a curb. It lived. Still running through the grass, I tell you. This little 18 scale truck, so car's a little powerhouse here, man, I tell you. Back on his feet. And it just pushes through that grass. Look at it. With ease. With ease. To get the hang of it, turn that steering right down. You got a nice little whip. Nice little car, rally car. Body's not gonna be brand new anymore. Oh yeah. Fun little basher. I like it. I like it a lot. All right. I think that's it. It's your host, Jeff C, sign out, telling you, get out and drive something, man. It's been almost 2 years for me, and here I am. Like riding a bicycle. You never forget. Go get your toy. It doesn't have to be anything expensive. Like I said, this one was only like $62 and change with tax. And it's put a smile on my face, for sure. For sure. Look at that. HPI Maverick. Not a Quantum, but the RX Ion. 118 scale brushed. That's a lot of bang for your buck. All right, we'll catch you next time. RC Addict, signing out.